Hello guys! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to place a contact form on any Shopify page. By the end, you'll have a built-in, ready-to-use form that sends inquiries directly to your store's main email. No third-party apps needed. Start by logging into your Shopify admin so you're on the main dashboard. From the menu on the left, go to Online Store, then select Pages. This is where all your independent pages are managed, such as your About page, FAQ page, and your Contact page. If the Pages section isn't visible, make sure the Online Store category is expanded. Next, decide if you want to make a new page or add the form to one you already have. If you want a fresh page, click Add Page. If you already have a contact page, simply select it from the list to open it. Either option works. The important part is applying the correct template so Shopify automatically inserts the form. At the top, type in a simple, straightforward title like Contact Us. This title usually appears on the page and in your site's menu, so use something easy to recognize. In the content box, you can include a short message that will show above the form, maybe a note about response times or the types of inquiries you accept. If you prefer a minimalist page, you can leave this field empty. Now, look for the Theme Template drop-down. This may appear on the right side or near the bottom, depending on your Shopify admin layout. Open the drop-down menu. Then, choose Contact. This built-in template automatically adds Shopify's contact form to your page. No coding needed. Selecting Contact is what enables the form layout. Once everything is set, click Save. After saving, the form becomes visible on that page. Shopify's default form usually includes fields for the visitor's name, email address, and message. Form submissions are forwarded to your store's primary email. If you want to double-check, make sure your primary email in Shopify settings is correct and actively monitored. Preview the page to confirm everything looks right. If you wrote text above the form, make sure it's clear, helpful, and not overly long. Short instructions generally work best. And that's it! You've successfully created a fully working contact page using Shopify's built-in template. Once you're satisfied, add this page to your site's navigation to ensure customers can easily locate it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new contact page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips on how to make the most of your Shopify site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.